Oh, my slippers. Is she walking?
Serious business.
Serious.
Money.
Where are you going? Sy so oor ek kyk toe.
Hi, darling. I already changed my shoes.
Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is Wednesday, it is photo shoot day, and it is 5 a.m. 5 a.m. There's a lot that I have to do. I have to do my makeup, I have to do my hair, I have to actually wear the outfit. And the bus is gonna pick us up at just before 7, so that gives me just, I know it sounds like a lot of time, it really isn't, but anyway, so it's photo shoot day, and then I'm just gonna take you guys along with me for the rest of the day. And yeah, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and let's get this day started. Okay, so I wanted to go downstairs and make a coffee, but it's literally way too cold, so I'm not gonna make a coffee. Okay, it was such a struggle to get dressed. Like, I'm dressed now, not completely yet. I still need to tuck in the shirt, and I chose black tights. My mom said I should wear the like the other ones, but I saw all the other girls wearing the black ones. But anyway, I have to do my hair, and it's already 50 past 5. Sorry, 50 past 5. I'm really getting stressed right now. I already wanted to start with my makeup. I'm really getting stressed, and I'm gonna do a high ponytail, and I'm gonna try and use the hairspray, of course, to make it look neat. And here's the catch: I've never used hairspray before, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, so it's just 2 minutes after 2 minutes before 6, and I just finished my hair. The first time, like I said, it was my first time ever using hairspray, so I don't know. What do you guys think? All I'm hoping is that it looks good in the photos. So this is this part, I don't know if it's like here that I can't get down, and I've already sprayed like so much hairspray. I don't really know what to do, but I'm sure I can ask girls there as well just to help me. I need to remember my earrings. So yeah, now I really need to start with my makeup. Okay, so there's nowhere really for me to do my makeup. I always do my makeup here in the mirror. Like, I stand right here and I do my makeup here. So I don't think I can really show you guys, but I will try. Okay, so foundation is done. Does it look blended in? I really hope it does, because it's not actually my shade right now. I use the Maybelline in 10 Ivory, I think. Wait, I don't think you can see that. But I use this, and it is a lot darker than my skin right now, but it's the only high coverage foundation that I have, and it's like 2-3 shades darker than I am right now, even though I still look quite pale. But anyway, as long as it looks good in photos. I've been looking at myself this whole time, I'm so sorry. But as long as it looks good in photos, I'm fine. Like I said, I think I blended it in well. Anyway, so now I'm gonna go in with my eyes, and I'm not good with eye makeup. I'm not good with makeup really overall. I'm gonna use this nude palette, a very basic eye, because I'm gonna do a lot of mascara. And don't even ask about eyeliner, because I can't do eyeliner. I also have like hooded eyes, so yeah. Okay, so here's the final look. Sorry I didn't vlog much this morning, but I don't want them to leave without me. And then after, how late is it? It's 43 minutes past 6, so this was a bad idea. Why didn't I just take them off? Oh my gosh. Okay, just us is still there. Because other girls on our... Sorry. Because there were girls on our group that said they wanted us to take an Uber because they don't want to wait for us. Like, I'm sorry, we waited for you that day when you had your photo shoot, so you can wait for us. And plus, Uncle Shepherd, he's our bus driver, he said he will wait for us up until 7. So, anyway, but this is the final look, you guys. I don't know if you can see really. Okay, I'll show you guys a bit later the full fit. I really hope the pony doesn't look bad. This is such a struggle. Wait, let me just switch you guys. There we go. Okay. I don't think I've done a house tour yet, have I, you guys? I don't think so. Okay. Anyway, oh, the light. Got to put that light on. But okay, I will see you guys outside. Okay, I think there's still other girls in the rooms, but anyway, I'm all done. Okay, so I decided I'm gonna I left my things in the bus quickly because no one is in there right now. Well, besides 2 other girls. But I'm gonna quickly get my slippers just so I'm comfortable for the rest of the day. Okay. Yeah. Okay. How are my slippers? Is you walking around? Oh.
Now available from only $369.99 and go straight to turbo. Save over 40,000 Rand on the $168 pounds. Brent crude oil is at $68.85 a barrel.
Well, what if they're in a food pyramid is if I was saying
The slippers are giving.
Hey guys.
Serious business.
Serious.
Money.
That's what the pilots are for.
Quickly, so I'm going to get a captain. We should have went to the airport.
She's
looking
telling
like
us her
this.
plan right now.
Exactly. There was one who said, hi, yesterday. I was like,
She's gonna get the captain.
where are we going?
I don't know. I think the offer. She
You have
said,
the red lipstick.
I have read. You know how hard it was to apply it.
Mine is maroon.
I wanted maroon.
Where are you going?
Ah. Where are you going? Don't know where we're going. Where are the photos being taken? What's happening? What are you thinking? Look at it.
I'm cold.
That's true. That's true.
They're doing makeup. Isn't it the ones who are makeup artists? They're not here.
What? We should have gotten a makeup artist. Can you imagine?
I don't even have lashes.
I also don't. I just did mascara.
Exactly.
Let's eat.
And it's done. My lipstick is fading.
But it looks good though.
I was busy chowing.
No,
in
but
the
it
car.
looks
I was like,
good. It looks really good though.
I forgot that I have lipstick and I started eating. Outcome.
Do you know how bad red lipstick looks if you've drank something or if you've eaten? It looks bad. Like really
It cracks,
bad.
and this is maroon.
So we finished up with the photos, but I think we still need to take. I think we still need to take the group photos though, but they are still busy taking individual photos. Yeah, so now I'm just trying to get a snack. And listen, the photos look so good. She showed us on her camera the photos. They look insane. Like they look so good. I can't wait to get them and to show them to you guys. I just want to show them to everyone and brag.
Ek kon lank
Again.
myne gister op die klaai dis ek soos.
Oh, the money has run out. Oh,
Probably it was my network. Let's try it once again.
is it through?
Ja.
Oh,
That's it.
goodness. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright.
Dis ek met Paul of course.
Maar waar is my blondie? Dalk dink ek hy is so mooi, maar dan is hy nie eintlik nie.
Jy het nie gaan kyk.
Hoorie.
I like things man.
Ja.
Hi, darling. I already changed the shoes. I'm wearing morning. Seker verkeerde bus gevat.
Is net een bus. Want op zo'n EPT het ons nou al gesien.
Ja, maar jy weet, dit is Uber.
Nee, ek het seker gemaak dat ek is betyds hier so. Dan ek was so, weet jy, ek gaan eerder vroeër opstaan. Nie gesien hoe laat het hulle hier aangekom. Jy moes nog
Ek
sien.
nog ek
Nee, glad nie.
Okay.
Sy's in.
Okay.
2 decks, lower deck, upper deck, 5 doors one side. Can you guys? So I'll hear cabin crew your seats, and I'm in my jump seat, in my brace position. Flight deck is behind. So my review would be, if I hear brace, 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 I will shout emergency, emergency, bend over, get your face. And then, if I hear, I can't remember what the commands are. Cabin crew standby or
Yeah, stand by.
release your seat. No. Cabin crew standby. If I hear standby, I will
Remain
undo my
seated.
seatbelt. I will switch on the emergency light switch, mounting there. All the while shouting, remain seated, release your seatbelts.
Neat. We are deciding for her. We're not right.
I do not want to study tonight.
Nee, ek gaan slaap. Flip that.
I think it says list this. Never mind, maybe we ask.
No, she didn't put anything on the board, so there's no test.
I say kyk.
Weet jy? Damn it. Oh my god, het weggooi.
And flight deck protocol.
Someone put it on the group.
We are right.
Yeah. Please.
Okay. So I said, could you write in the back?
Net toe ek dink ons is lucky.
Nooit nie. Sy is so oor, kyk toch? Devonique, are you okay?
No.
Okay. Oh, I know my kite. Oh my gosh. Okay, so as you can see, I am finally home and I am so tired. I'm literally so tired. I feel exhausted, but I still have to, sorry, something. I still have to study for tomorrow's test. But anyway, thank you so much for coming along with me, you guys. There's a lot that I have to do this evening, but I'm gonna say goodbye to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will definitely be making more day in my lives and stuff like that. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I hope you had a wonderful day wherever you are, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.